Hey everybody, it's Katie, Otto, and Willow here at the Howard Homestead, and today we're making
blueberry scones.
This is an award-winning recipe out of the Stark Brothers cookbooks, and we're really excited to give it a try. Now we've already went ahead and creamed our sugar, our butter, our egg, and our vanilla, and we have all of our dry ingredients together, so we're gonna go ahead and mix those up. So Otto, will you pour in the flour mixture into this bowl for me?
Be my honor.
Good job, thank you.
Oh.
All right, and then we need to get this butter mixture into the flour. Look how yellow that is with our farm egg in there. There you go, mix it all around. Good. Good job. Okay, so we've mixed all the dry ingredients together with the butter mixture. Okay, we're gonna add our sour cream. All right, Willow, you wanna help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, use this and scoop it in. Good job. Okay, let's see what's next. We just added our sour cream, and now we need to add the lemon extract. Otto, can you pour that in?
I want to smell it. You can smell it.
Here, you can smell this.
But look how it reacted to the...
Yeah, isn't that cool? It's making it bubble. And we're gonna add lemon rind. All right, let's mix that up.
Can we make bread? Can we smell it?
Have a smell. Whoa. Does it smell good? All right, now we're gonna add our blueberries. These are delicious Blue-ray blueberries that we picked at Dana Mae Farm in Central Missouri. And they are delicious, aren't they? You wanna try one?
Mm-hmm.
The kids and I went, and Daddy went, and we picked about 10 pounds. Now we wanna make sure we just fold the blueberries in because we don't want to smash them in the process. This recipe makes about 40 to 48 scones, so you can easily cut it in half if you don't want that many. I'm pretty confident we will eat that many. You can freeze them so they keep really, really well. Okay, now we're gonna divide this into 4 balls. We're going to put saran wrap on it, put them in the fridge for just a little bit, then we're gonna roll them out and bake them. We've chilled our dough for just a little bit, and now we're gonna flatten it into a 10-inch circle. That's your favorite part?
My little girl's favorite part.
Do you like to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, now we don't want to smash the blueberries, so we're just gonna very lightly. You guys wanna help? You guys wanna take a turn?
Yeah.
We want it to be about a ½ inch thick and 10 inches wide. You can cut it into 8 to 12 pie-shaped pieces and then put it on. I like to use a cooking mat. You could do parchment paper, or you can grease a cookie sheet.
Now we're gonna bake them for about 12 minutes. Let's make the glaze.
The scones are in the oven, so we're gonna take the opportunity to go ahead and make our glaze. It's a 2-part glaze. So the first one is just powdered sugar and milk. Willow's gonna stir that for me. There's 1 and 2. Okay, go ahead and stir that up, sis. This first glaze is gonna go on after the scones have cooled just a little bit out of the oven. After this glaze dries, we'll put on the glaze number 2, which is powdered sugar, lemon juice, and melted butter. We've got both of our glazes on, they've cooled, and we are very excited to try it. Ready? Okay, guys.
1, 2, 3, bite.
It's good, isn't it? This recipe, along with a lot of other wonderful fruit recipes, can be found in the Fabulous Fruit Stark Brothers Cookbook at starkbros.com.
Thanks for watching!